A plus grade in SWOT makes us feel extremely proud and happy. It provides that our school is dedicated to provide quality education and overall development. We get opportunities to learn, explore and showcase our talented is very activities. Our teachers always motivate us to do our best and never give up. This achievement inspires us to aim higher and achieve our dreams. We are proud to be students of this school and will continue to work hard to bring more success.
We are delighted to celebrate our school's achievement of an A+ grade in SQAAF. This milestone reflects our dedication to maintain high standards in teaching, learning and overall development. Our focus is on competency-based education, critical thinking and creativity because it has really paid well in this success. Teachers have worked tirelessly to ensure that every student receives personalized guidance and attention. This recognition is a testament to our collective efforts and shared vision. We remain committed to provide quality education that prepares students for future challenges as well as future.
Being A+ in SWOT reflects our commitment to quality education and continuous improvement. At Swami Vivekananda Public School, Haradana, we believe that excellence is a journey, not a destination. That recognition highlights our consistent efforts in adopting innovative teaching practices, ensuring holistic development and aligning with LP 2020. Our dedicated teachers and supportive management and enthusiastic learners together create a dynamic learning environment that fosters growth, discipline, and learning.
Feel very happy and proud that our school has received an A+ grade in SCA. This shows that our school is one of the best in providing quality education. Our teachers always help us understand and our lessons and encourage us to participate in different activities. We enjoy learning and growing in such a positive environment. This achievement motivates us to do our best and achieve our dreams. We are proud to be students of this school.
This grade in SWOT is a moment of immense pride of all of us. It reflects dedication to our teachers to work tirelessly to create an engaging, inclusive and meaningful learning experience. We believe in continuing improvement, adopting innovative teaching methodologies and focusing on competency-based education. This recognition strengthens our resolve to provide quality education that empowers students to think critically, act responsibly and achieve their dreams. Together, as a team, we celebrate this milestone and promise to continue our journey toward excellence, ensuring every child receives the best opportunity to grow and succeed.
Achieving an A+ grade in SQUAD is a proud moment for all students. It shows that our school is committed to providing the best education and opportunities. We learn new skills, develop confidence and grow as individuals. Our teachers always encourage us to think creatively and work hard. This achievement inspires us to aim for excellence in academics and activities. We are thankful to our school for providing such a wonderful environment for learning and growth. Thank you.
We are proud to say that our school has achieved an A+ grade in the state. This recognition reflects our continuous commitment to academic excellence, innovation, and holistic development. Every lesson we teach, every activity we conduct, and every value we instill contribute to shaping responsible and confident learners. This achievement is the result of teamwork, dedication, and a shared vision for quality education. As educators, we remain committed to nurturing young minds with care, creativity, and integrity. This A+ grade is not just an achievement but a responsibility to continue striving for excellence in every aspect of education.
मला मिळालेले A+ ग्रेड हा आमच्यासाठी आनंदाचा आणि अभिमानाचा क्षण आहे. हे यश आमच्या शिक्षकाच्या मेहनतीने आणि विद्यार्थ्यांच्या प्रयत्नाने फळ आहे. आम्हाला इथे अभ्यासासोबत खेळ, कला आणि इतर उपक्रमांमध्ये संधी मिळते. हे वातावरण आमच्या सर्वांगीण विकासासाठी उपयुक्त आहे. आम्ही या देशाकडे प्रेरित होऊन आणखी प्रगती करू.
This A+ grade in SWOT is a statement to our unwavering commitment to excellence in education. Our focus has always been on creating a positive and stimulating learning environment where students feel encouraged to explore, learn and grow. Through collaborative efforts, continuous professional development and innovative practices, we have reached this milestone. This achievement belongs to every teacher who has contributed with dedication and passion. We take pride in being part of an institution that values quality, integrity and progress.
Achieving A+ in SQUAD reflects our commitment to quality education and continuous improvements. This prestigious recognition is a result of our structured planning, regular assessment practices, and focus on competency-based learning. We continuously strive to upgrade our teaching methodologies, integrate technology, and provide a nurturing environment where every student can excel academically and personally. This achievement inspires us to maintain high standards and work even harder for the success of the students.
आम्हाला A+ ग्रेड मिळणे ही आमच्यासाठी अभिमानाची गोष्ट आहे. आमची शाळा आम्हाला उत्कृष्ट शिक्षणासोबत विविध उपक्रमांमध्ये
ensure a strong support system for students. This approach motivates us to keep checking our systems and maintaining safety in all necessary.
मध्ये A+ ग्रेड मिळण्याचा आम्हाला खूप अभिमान वाटतो. ही आमच्या शाळेच्या उत्कृष्ट शिक्षणाची आणि सर्वांगीण विकासाची ओळख आहे. आमचे शिक्षक आम्हाला नेहमी मार्गदर्शन करतात आणि आमच्या प्रगतीसाठी सतत प्रयत्न करतात. आम्ही येथे केवळ अभ्यासच नाही करत, शिस्त, मूल्ये आणि आत्मविश्वासही शिकतो. या यशामुळे आम्हाला अधिक मेहनत करण्याची प्रेरणा मिळते आणि आमच्या शाळेचे नाव उज्ज्वल ठेवण्यासाठी
Achieving A+ in SWAT reflect our commitment to quality education and continuous improvement. It is a proud moment for our entire school community as it validates our efforts and delivering meaningful and encouraging learning experience. We focus on developing critical thinking, creativity, and strong moral values among our students. This is recognition encourages further strength our academic practices and continue shaping responsible and confident futures.
Excited to celebrate our school's achievement of an A+ grade in SWAT. This success shows that our school focuses on both studies and overall development. We enjoy learning in classroom where teachers make lessons interesting and interactive. We also participate in sports, arts, and other activities that help us grow. This achievement motivates us to give our best in everything we do. We feel proud to be part of the school and we will continue working hard.
A+ grade in SQAAF is a proud reflection of our commitment to excellence and continuous improvement. Our teachers have consistently worked towards creating meaningful and engaging learning experiences for students. We believe in fostering a culture of curiosity, innovation, and lifelong learning. This achievement motivates us to keep striving for higher standards and better outcomes. We are grateful to our students, parents, and management for their support and trust. Together, we celebrate this success and look forward to achieving our greater milestones. That our school has achieved an A+ grade in SQAAF. This shows our school dedication to our quality education and students' development. We enjoy learning in a friendly and supportive environment. Our teachers help us to become confident and responsible individuals. This achievement motivates us to aim higher and achieve more success.
A+ ग्रेड मिळणे ही आमच्यासाठी अभिमानाची गोष्ट आहे. आमची शाळा आम्हाला उत्कृष्ट शिक्षणासोबत विविध उपक्रमामध्ये सहभागी होण्याची संधी देते. आमचे शिक्षक आम्हाला प्रोत्साहन देतात आणि आमच्या प्रत्येक क्षमतेचा विकास करतात. आम्हाला अशा शाळेत शिकण्याचा आनंद आहे. हे यश आहे.
हे मिळण्यामुळे आमच्या शाळेची गुणवत्ता सिद्ध झाली आहे. आम्हाला येथे उत्तम शिक्षण, चांगले वातावरण आणि प्रेरणादायी शिक्षक मिळतात. आम्ही दररोज काहीतरी नवीन शिकतो. हे यश आमच्या सर्वांच्या एकत्रित प्रयत्नाचे फलित आहे. आम्ही भविष्यातही असेच
A+ ग्रेड मिळवण्यामध्ये आमच्या शाळेची गुणवत्ता सिद्ध झालेली आहे. ते आमच्या सर्वांचे एकत्रित प्रयत्नाचे फलित आहे. आम्ही भविष्यातही असे यश मिळवण्यासाठी
A+ grade in SWAT is a proud moment for all of us students. It shows that our school is one of the best places to learn and grow. Our teachers make learning interesting and help us to understand concepts clearly. We enjoy participating in sports, cultures, activities, and competitions. These achievements encourage us to do better in everything we do. We feel lucky to study in such a supportive and disciplined environment. We thank you to our teachers and students.
आमच्या शाळेला स्पर्धेमध्ये A+ ग्रेड मिळाल्याचा आम्हाला खूप अभिमान वाटतो. ही आमच्या शाळेच्या उत्कृष्ट शिक्षणाची आणि सर्वांगीण विकासाची ओळख आहे. आम्ही आमच्या शाळेचे नाव उज्ज्वल केले.
ग्रेड हा आमच्या शाळेच्या उत्कृष्टतेचा पुरावा आहे. आम्ही या यशामुळे प्रेरित होऊन पुढे जाऊ. आम्ही आमच्या शाळेचा अभिमान
Extremely proud that our school has achieved an A+ grade in SWAT. This achievement reflects the quality education, strong values, and excellent opportunities. मोठी कामगिरी केली आहे. हे यश आमच्या सर्वांच्या मेहनतीचे फलित आहे. आम्ही येथे शिकत असताना आम्हाला आत्मविश्वास, शिस्त आणि नृत्यत्व कौशल्य मिळत आहे. आम्ही आमच्या शाळेचा अभिमान
मध्ये A+ ग्रेड मिळाल्याने आम्हाला खूप आनंद झाला आहे. आमची शाळा आम्हाला शिक्षणासोबत चांगले संस्कार देते. आमचे शिक्षक आम्हाला मार्गदर्शन करतात आणि आमच्यावर विश्वास ठेवतात. आम्ही या यशामुळे अधिक प्रेरित झालो आहोत आणि आमचे भविष्य ग्रेड मिळाल्याने आमच्यासाठी प्रेरणादायी गोष्ट आहे. आमची शाळा आम्हाला प्रत्येक क्षेत्रात प्रगती करण्यासाठी संधी देते. आमचे शिक्षक नेहमी आमच्यासोबत असतात. आम्ही या यशासाठी
A+ ग्रेडमुळे आम्हाला खूप अभिमान वाटतो. आम्हाला एक उत्तम शिक्षक आणि संधी मिळतात आणि आमच्या शाळेचे गौरव वाढतो.
A+ ग्रेड मिळाल्यामुळे आमच्या शाळेची गुणवत्ता दिसून येते. आम्ही येथे आनंदाने शिकतो. आमचे शिक्षण आम्हाला नेहमी प्रेरणा देतात.
आमच्या शाळेचा उत्कृष्ट प्रवाह आहे. आम्ही या यशामुळे प्रेरित होऊन पुढे जाऊ आणि आम्ही आमच्या शाळेचा
Achieving A+ in SPARK reflects our commitment to a quality education and continuous improvement. This milestone showcases our dedication to maintaining high academic standards, promoting co-curricular excellence, and building a positive school culture. We believe in empowering students and with the knowledge, skills, and values required for the future. This achievement is not just a recognition but a responsibility to uphold and exceed expectations in the years.
आमच्या शाळेला मिळालेला A+ ग्रेड हा आमच्यासाठी आनंदाचा आणि अभिमानाचा क्षण आहे. हे यश आमच्या शिक्षकांच्या मेहनतीचे